Hello, my name is Saurav, and here in this project, I built a complete Bitcoin transaction and block analyzer with both a command line interface and a web visualizer. The CLI phrases real Bitcoin transaction and block data, verifies merkle-root, analyzes script, fees and time block, and outputs strict JSON reports. The web app uses the same code logic to explain this result visually to non-technical users, including transaction flows, OP return data, and block level summaries. The project passes all the graders, validates against real block data, and fully meet the readme requirement. Let me show you the web app. But as you can see, it is running on localhost 3000 here. Let me paste this one, this transaction of a real Bitcoin. When we analyze it, as you can see, txid text, which is a transaction identifier. It is a chronicle ID for SegWit TX. It is computed without the witness. Here, as you can see, the size is 276B, which means a raw serialized byte length of the transaction, including the witness data. V size means virtual size for the fee calculation, VY. For fee charge, we use V byte, not raw byte. Okay? And the weight. And the weight should be around 744. As you can see here, actual weight 774W, which is the weight unit. 1 V byte equal to 4 weight unit. Okay? So V size equal to cell weight by 4. Here 744 divided by 4 equal to 193.5 equal to V size 194. Got it? And the fee rate, as you can see here, 10.31 sat slash VV, which is fee divided by fee size equal to 2000. So you can see the fee is given 2000 and the V size is 194, which means 10.31 sat slash VV. This is what miner consider when selecting transaction. You can see input. It has two input where UTX is where consumed as input. This page shows the script types and address for each input. As you can see, the input amount showed 15k sat and 9k sat. Total input then 15k plus 9k sat equal to 24 sat. Okay, and the output here, it shows 10,000 sat and 12,000 sat. So total equal to 24 minus 22 equal to 2000 fees calculation, and here for the output total sat would be 22,000. Okay, and the previous input 24,000. So 24,000 minus 2000, remaining 2000 sat. Conversion sat to BTC digit by digit, you also know. And the script address, as you can see here also, P2W PKH means pay to witness public key has a native SegWit bench 32 output or input witness signature live in the witness area. It's reduced wet, and here P2TR with, which means pay to taproot uses chronicle signature, more flexible scripting with a low witness cost in many cases. And here you can see P2PKH, which means legacy pay2 pubkey has a larger weight compared to native SegWits. And the SegWit savings and weight explanation, weight if legacy equal to 1.104 W. You can see weight if legacy 1.10 W. Hypothetically, with if the same transaction used legacy serialized. Actual weight 774W with SegWit savings equal to 1104 minus 774 divided by 1104 equal to 0.2989. So if we convert it, then 29.89%. Got it? Meaning it means moving signature data into witness reduce the weight by 29.89% compared to the equivalent legacy, means the non-SegWit serialization. Low weight means low v size, then low fees for the same economic transaction. And you here you can see the network is Manet, a real Bitcoin network. SegWit is true, which means the transaction has witnessed data. txid vs vtxid means the txid is a traditional tx identifier, witness typing, and the wtxid is the witness execute inclusive tx identifier. For SegWit, txid is not equal to wtxid. For non-SegWit, they are equal. Size bit you can see here, 276 means the raw bit length of serialized tx include the witness, then with 774 for use for compute v size. I've already told you the v size equal to celibate by 4 equal to 194 vb here, and the v bit 194 the virtual size of the compute feed rate, total input, total output, numeric sums 24k and 22k. I already told you the fees are 2000, fee rate 10.31 per fee per v byte, and the rbf signature true replaced by fee in signature, as you can see below. The lock time type, lock time value none slash 0 means the transaction has no absolute time based lock if it can mine immediately. And the rbf signature is true means the transaction author set sequence number of indicating the tx may be replaced the monopoly by a different tx that spend the same input with a higher fee. Practically, the sender means or the wallet on their behalf can rebroadcast or replaced with a high fee if they want fast communication before. Let me show you the block upload part. BL key dot. Let me paste this one. RV dot. So dot. Let's see what happens. As you can see here, the block has, it's a unique ID for the block. Think it's like a fingerprint of the block, created using cryptography hashing used for verifying block integrity. That's why has even one bit changes, has changes. tx count 3572. This block contain 3572 transaction. More transaction means more network activity, right? Markley validates is true. Means each block uses a Markley tree to verify all transaction. This means transaction data in the block is cryptographically consistent. No transaction was tampered. Okay? And the transaction fee, as you can see, which is very important, 1 Bitcoin equal to 1 crore satoshis, roughly like that. I mean 100000000 satoshis. So it is around 0.368 Bitcoin in fees, right? This fees goes to the miner, and the average fee rate is 36.91 sats as BV. This tell how much user paid per virtual byte. The high fee rate equal to fast transaction confirmation. Total weight, as you can see here, 3993236W means weight unit, the block size weight unit. In Bitcoin, maximum weight is 4000000W. Your block is almost full. Then it will say. This shows the block is nearly saturated, meaning this means high demanded. Okay? And the transaction session in C. In our first transaction, as you can see here, the Coinbase transaction. This one is special. As you can see here, Coinbase BF9F1. Then you will ask why the fee is zero set. The miner doesn't pay fee because the transaction create BTC plus collection fees and the input and output. So you can see here input 1 and output, meaning the miner generated coins send reward to multiple address. Large mining pool often split reward and the JSON data below. This structure is a format described in the transaction network is managed. SegWit true means low fee, more block capacity, fixes, transaction malleability, txid, wtxid size bit. As you can see here, all means actually this dashboard overall means that phrases real Bitcoin blocks, verifies his monthly root, calculate fees, track SegWit, display transaction metadata, support pagination, so fees analysis, etc. etc. This is basically a block overview. As we can see, other transaction here. See, total 3572 transaction. I hope you like this video.